Hello everybody, welcome back to your new video. So today in this video we're going to talk about CSS margins. So today in this video we shall learn about CSS margins, which is CSS specific margins, and we're going to learn about CSS all-in-one margin property. So we're going to learn two things in this video. Those are, one is all-in-one margin, which will take the margin from all the side, which is top, right, left button, and the second thing is that we shall learn about a specific margin, just how you can set a margin in only one side. Like, we're gonna set a margin only at the top side. So in this video we shall learn about this. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So came after intro. Now in this we shall change our title, which will be margins, CSS margins. And now we should take our h1, and in this h1 we shall write coding with should do, which is our channel name. And if we refresh this, so here you can see the text h1. And now we shall style this using CSS. At first we shall change the font family, give a color of this. I'm gonna set a color of this green, and this looks pretty good. And now suppose we need a margin from the left side. So what you can do, so we can do that margin left, and the specific margin, so 20 pixel. So this is the specific margins that we have specified the left side, that it will take the margin from the left side. So this is specified here, so that's why this is specific margins. So if you refresh, so it has been taken a space from the left side. But if you increase this like 50 pixel, you can see this is taking space from the left side. How we can increase it will be take space instantly from the left side, whatever in the side we shall specify. So now if we talk about the one-in-one margin, so we need to write the margin property only. And now if we specify the margins, so 50 pixel, and so it will take space from all the side. Like you will see, from the top side, right side, left side, and bottom side, it has taken the margin from all the side. But if we don't need to take space from all the side, suppose we need to take space from the top side, so what we can do, we can just write here margin top and write the value. Like, I'm gonna write here 40 pixel, refresh, so it is taking space from the top side. And we can also write something like unique, like margin, but we shall take the specific margin from specific site, but we shall use this margin property. So how to do that? So margin, and in this margin property you can write four values, and the values work like a clock. So clock top, and then next is right, and next of the clock is bottom, and the next of the clock is right. So it will circle like a clock, it will rounding like a clock, and it will work as a clock. So suppose in the clock the first section is the top side, so if we write here 10 pixel, and if we write 0 pixel from all the other sides, and if we refresh, so it will take space from the top side. So it hasn't taken. So if we increase that, so you can see it has taken the space from only the top side, so it will work like a clock. And if we sense the bottom sides pixel, so you can see it has been taken the space from the bottom side, but you can't see it because here's a lot of space, and but it has already taken space. So if we write something here, so you can see here is the space under the each one, which has been 15 pixels. So now here we need to, if we change this into 10 pixels, so it will take space from the left side, so it works as a clock. So we can write four values in the margin property. But if you feel this very disturbing or very hard, so you can specify the margin. So here goes the margin: top, bottom, left, right. So these are the specific margins of CSS you can use to write or make fast your coding experience. And you use this for all the websites. You need to take space from the 0 pixel and 50 pixel. 50 pixels should be this 0 pixel and the 50 pixel. You need to use, or you can use this property in all the sites to build. So if you take this, so it will take space from we need some space from the top side. So this is a website structure. Every website takes space from the left side and the right side, but remain that's not remain closely of the border, that takes some space from left and right and also the top side. So you can use this line to build your any website. So this video is from here. If you like this video and if you found this video helpful, so smash the like button and comment below and subscribe. Cutting with